Hey guys, it's Sarah, and I'm coming on with the help of my hubby, and we are here to review this volleyball.
All right, so Soretta's sent us this volleyball to review, and of course it is the official size volleyball. Of course, used for recreational, of course outside, playing around with the family. You know, maybe you take it with you to go to the sand or to where the water is. What's neat about that is it does have this neat little carrying rope holder, which makes it easy if you have yourself a backpack and a carabiner. You just kind of attach it to your backpack, throw it over your shoulder, throw it on your bag, and take it with you. Of course, it is made for, again, recreational use, and it's made of PVC leather, is what they say, and it's a good feel, and it's the right size for any type of volleyball activity. It also includes the kit that it comes with is this ball pump, which is real nice because as you know, the thing ships uninflated, and if you don't have access to a pump, then you're stuck, but not in this case. Because the Soretta set comes with your pump, and it's pretty simple to work here. It does have the ball attachment. You put it in, lock it down in place, right? So you lock it in place there. That way that doesn't move. It does say to moisten the needle, and then insert the needle there. And it's as simple as pumping, and it fills it with air. And of course, as you can see, we use this pump to inflate this volleyball, and it's ready to go. So again, if you're looking for a volleyball to use, we would recommend the Sorettas. Go pick yourself up one today. Again, it comes with a complete kit, and you're ready to go no matter where you find yourself.
So here they are. They're enjoying playing with the volleyball, as you can see here, and it's so much fun. Go get yourself one.